You watched 10, maybe 20 Claude Code tutorials by now. You know how to install it, you know how to prompt it. You've probably built a little to-do app or a demo project that lives on your computer and nobody will ever see. So let me ask you a simple question. How much money has any of that made you? If the answer is zero, this video is going to be for you. Because I'm about to tell you exactly where you're going wrong and what to do instead. And honestly, the shift I'm going to share with you is not complicated, but it's the difference between being someone who knows about Claude Code and being someone who actually gets paid because of it. And stay with me, because the third shift I'm going to share is the one that completely changed my business. Most people never even consider it. Okay, so let me paint a picture for you real quick here. Right now, there are thousands, probably tens of thousands of people learning Claude Code. They're watching tutorials, they're following along. They're building little projects that look cool in demo, but solve absolutely nothing for anybody. And I know this because I was one of these people in the beginning when I was learning AI automations. I don't have a computer science degree. I'm not a software engineer. I never was. I taught myself the basics along the way, learned these tools through trial and error, and for a while I was stuck in the exact same loop you might be in right now. Watch a tutorial, build a thing in the tutorial, feel productive, then move on to the next tutorial. It feels like progress, but I assure you it's not. It's consumption disguised as productivity. And the longer you stay in that loop, the further behind you're actually going to fall. Because while you're watching your 15 tutorial, someone else, someone who might know less than you, is out there getting paid. So what's the difference between you and that person? It's not skill, it's not talent, it's not connections. It's 3 mental shifts, and once you make them, everything changes. Here's the first one. Shift number 1. Stop building for practice, start building for people. This is the biggest trap in Claude Code world right now. People build projects for themselves. Portfolio pieces, demo apps, things that technically work but solve no real problem for no real person. Here's what I want you to think about instead. Right now, today, there are small business owners, startup founders, agency owners, freelancers, real people with real businesses who are drowning in manual work. They're copying data from one spreadsheet to another. They're spending 3 hours a day on tasks that should take 10 minutes. They're running their entire operation on sticky notes and prayers. They know AI exists, they've heard about it, they've read the headlines, but they have no idea how to actually use it in their business. They don't know what's possible. That's the gap. That's where the money is. Instead of building a demo to-do app, build a simple client onboarding tool that a real business could use. Instead of following along with a tutorial project, find a local business, a dentist, a barber, a real estate agent, and ask them what's taking up most of their time. Then go build a solution with Claude Code. The project doesn't have to be complex. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to solve a real problem for a real person. That's it. That's the entire shift. When you build for practice, you get practice. When you build for people, you get paid. Now that shift alone will put you ahead of 99% of people learning Claude Code right now. But the second shift is what actually makes it sustainable. Shift number 2, stop selling your time, start packaging your knowledge. So let's say you make the first shift. You start doing client work. You build a few tools, a few automations, a few websites for businesses. You're making money, great. But here's the problem. You're trading hours for dollars. And there are only so many hours in a day. If you stop working, the money stops. That's not a business, that's just a job you gave yourself. Here's what the smart people are doing instead. Every single project you build for a client teaches you something. You learn what businesses actually need. You learn what problems come up over and over again. You learn what works and what doesn't. That knowledge, that's the real product. Take what you have learned and package it. Turn it into a template, a starter kit, a mini course, an automation pack, something you build once and sell it over and over again. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you build 3 different client onboarding systems for 3 different businesses. By the third one, you basically know the formula. So you take that formula, turn it into a template, and sell it for $99 on Gumroad. You build it once with Claude Code and it sells while you sleep. Okay, so now you've got a client income plus product income, 2 streams instead of 1. And the product side doesn't require your time to deliver. But here's what I really want you to understand. This is exactly how real businesses are built right now. The CEO of Anthropic, the company that makes Claude, said he believes the first billion-dollar one-person company will exist in 2026. And the reason that's even possible is because tools like Claude Code let one person do what used to take an entire team. You don't need employees, you don't need investors, you just need to be smart about how you stack your income. And by the way, this is exactly what we focus inside my community, not just learning the tools, actually building income streams with them, real projects, real revenue, people in there right now doing exactly what I'm describing. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Hopefully I'll see you inside. Okay, so first shift, build for people. Second shift, package your knowledge. Now here's the third one, and I told you at the beginning, this is the one that changed everything for me, and I meant it. Shift number 3, stop being the builder, become the guide. This one took me the longest to figure out, and honestly, I almost missed it entirely. Here's what I mean. Right now, there are millions of people who want to learn Claude Code, millions of people who want to learn AI. They're searching YouTube, they're searching Google, they're in Reddit threads, they're in Facebook groups asking questions every single day. And there aren't enough people helping them. Think about what you already know. You've watched those 15 tutorials, you've built projects, you've made mistakes and figured things out. You're already ahead of the person who's just getting started today. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of the person you're helping. That's it. So you start sharing what you know, you make content, you help people in communities, you answer questions, you document your journey. And what happens? People start trusting you. They see you as someone who's been where they are and figured it out. That trust turns into an audience. That audience turns into a community, and that community turns into a real business. This is exactly what I did. I'm not standing here as some tech genius with 20 years of coding experience. I'm standing here as someone who committed to figuring it out, started sharing what I learned, and built a community of people who want to do the same thing. And that community, that's the part of my business that generates the most consistent revenue, not client work, not digital products, the community, because it's recurring. People join, they stay, they learn, they grow, and they help each other. That's the shift that most people never make. They stay stuck as the builder forever. But the real leverage, the real money is in becoming the person who guides other builders. So let me bring all of this together. 3 shifts. Shift 1, stop building for practice, start building for people who will pay you. Shift 2, stop only trading time for money, start packaging what you know into products that sell without you. Shift 3, stop being just a builder, become the guide who helps others do what you did. That's it. That's the whole game. None of this requires a computer science degree. None of it requires years of experience. It requires Claude Code, the willingness to start, and the decision to stop consuming and start creating. Remember what I asked you at the beginning? How much money have those tutorials made you? If the answer is still 0 after this video, it's not because you don't know enough. I promise you, you know enough right now. It's because you haven't made the shift from learning to earning. So stop watching, start building things that pay. And look, if you want help actually doing this, that's why my community exists. It's real people, no coding backgrounds, no tech degrees, building real businesses with AI and Claude Code. We share workflows, we share leads, we hold each other accountable, and we actually build together. It's not a course you watch and forget, it's a community you show up and grow with. If that sounds like what you need, link is going to be in the description. Come join us. Hopefully I'll see you inside. If not, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.